Hello, dear kids. Welcome back to your maths online classes. This is the fourth part of your first chapter of maths book, that is large numbers. And in this video, we will read about Roman numerals. That is very interesting topic. Okay. So, children, first you will have uh, to know some key points. Children, as we have Hindu Arabic numbers, similarly the numerals given by the people of Rome are called Roman numerals, and Roman numerals uses 7 symbols. In Hindu Arabic numerals, we use as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We use these 10 symbols, and using these symbols we can make any number. Similarly, Roman numerals contain 7 symbols. They use capital I for 1, they use capital V for 5, capital X for 10, capital L for 50, capital C for 100, capital D for 500, and capital M for 1000. Okay, children, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are 7 symbols used in Roman numerals, and using these you can make any number. So now let's read some rules how to write Roman numerals. Okay, rules. First rule is repetition. Okay, children, first rule is repetition. When you are repeating any Roman numeral, it means addition. Means you are adding those numerals. Example, x, x. Okay. You are repeating x 2 times, means you are adding x 2 times. So x is the symbol of 10. So 10 plus 10, and it is equal to 20. Very easy. Again, if you have C, C, C. So C is the symbol of 100, and you are repeating it 3 times, means you will add it 3 times. That is 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. Very simple. So children, here is a restriction also. You can repeat any Roman numerals only 3 times. Okay, you can repeat them only 3 times. For further repetition, or you have another rules, you can't repeat after 3 times. Okay, so now let's read second rule. Children, if you have to write 50, or sorry 40, 50 has already a symbol capital L. Okay, so if you have to write 40 in Roman numerals, how will you write? Can you write it as x x x x? No, because you cannot repeat any terms more than 3 times. So this rule is wrong. So then how will we write? Can we write it as 50 minus 10? Yes. Then how will you subtract? अब तक आपने क्या पढ़ा? Addition. Now we will read about subtraction. Okay? Subtraction. Then children, if you have to subtract any Roman numerals from another numerals, uh, write that number less, that is less number to the left side and the larger number to the right side. As इसमें 10 छोटी नंबर है, तो 10 को आप किधर लिखेंगे? लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, 10 को आप लेफ्ट में लिखेंगे एंड 50 को राइट में लिखेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ 10? द सिंबल ऑफ 10 इज x here. So you will write it in left here. So you will write it in left side. And what is the symbol of 50? It is L. So you will write it in right side. Clear? 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Another example I am giving you for your convenience, that is 90. Okay. 90 can be written as 100 minus 10, and here 100 is greater number, so greater number will be written to the right side when you are subtracting, and smaller number will be written on the left side. So 10 will be written on the left side, and symbol of 10 is X, and symbol of 100 is C, and C will be written to the right side. Okay, simple children. When any smaller number is written to the left side of the larger number, it means you are subtracting that number. Okay, आप smaller number को larger number में से subtract कर रहे हो. Here we have another rule. If there is any number, rule third. Now tell me, how can you write this number? Children, अभी आपने पढ़ा कि अगर लेफ्ट साइड में रखी है कोई भी नंबर तो आप उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में नहीं है. I क्या है? I is 1 and V is 5. Then I is less than V and it is written to the right side. Then what will you do? Here's another rule. If the smaller number is on the right side, you will add this. Okay, you will add this. So V is the symbol of 5 and I is 1, means 5 plus 1 is 6. Again, if you have given that L X, okay, L is the symbol of 50 and X is the symbol of 10. So 10 is smaller number but it is written to the right side, means addition. If 10 will be written on the left side, means subtraction. Means simple. अगर स्मॉलर नंबर लार्जर नंबर के लेफ्ट में लिखी गई है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा, अगर लार्जर नंबर के राइट में लिखी गई है तो एडिशन होगा. सो हियर इट इज रिटन ऑन द राइट साइड, सो यू विल ऐड इट. L is 50 and X is 10, so 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay, and here we have another rule. If any smaller number as I is written between two larger number, okay, जैसे I से बड़ा 10 भी होगा and 5. So अगर ये दो larger number के बीच में है तब आप कैसे लिखेंगे? Then what will you do? You will subtract the, here you are seeing that it is smaller number and it is written to the left side. So आपने क्या पढ़ा था, जब स्मॉलर नंबर लेफ्ट में हो तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 minus 1 and then you will add it into the number written to its left side. Means 10 plus 5 minus 1, 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 and it is 14. Children, now I am giving you another example. As X I X, means here 1 is written between 10 and 10, so it is smaller to this number and this number. Then what will you do? You will subtract it from the number that is written to the right side of it. मीन्स इसके राइट साइड में जो नंबर होगी उसमें से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे एंड फिर उन सारी नंबर्स को लेफ्ट वाली नंबर में ऐड कर दोगे. मीन्स 10 प्लस, इसमें से इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, means 19. Got it? I'm giving you another example. If you have to write 28 in Roman numerals, how will you write? Can you write it 20 plus 8? And what is the symbol of 20? 20 can be written as 10 plus 10. Okay, and plus 8. 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. Okay, 10 का सिंबल क्या है? X and 10 plus 10 रिपीट कर देंगे हम, X X. 5 का सिंबल क्या है? V and 3 1 1 1. Here you have written 28. Okay, 20 plus 8. Children, another example, if you have given X C V. Okay, means it is 50. Sorry, it is C is the symbol of 100, X is the symbol of 10, and it is 6. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. Then what will you do? इफ यहाँ 10 क्या है, 10 100 से छोटी है, तो आप इसे पहले इसमें से क्या करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज रिटन टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द लार्जर नंबर. देन फर्स्ट यू विल subtract 100 minus 10 and then you will write the number written to the right side, means 6. 100 minus 10 is 90 and plus 6 is equal to 96. It is simple, children, and you can solve it very easily. Children, here are some other examples I am giving you, that if you have to write this, how will you write? It is 4 and plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. Okay, 10x, and you are subtracting, means you will write the smaller number to the left side. Okay, here you have written this addition in this Roman system. Okay, children, and there are some other rules that 1 can be subtracted from only v and x. 1 को हम सिर्फ v and x में से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, मीन्स 5 और 10 से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. x को आप सिर्फ l and c से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. v मीन्स 5 l and d means 5, 50 and 500 can be subtracted. No, they can never be subtracted. Okay, they can never subtracted. So children, try to solve some questions of this chapter.